In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print custom margins in Excel. If you've ever printed a worksheet and found text hugging the edges or a table getting clipped, custom margins are the fix. Margins control the blank space around your content on the printed page, and setting them precisely helps your sheet look professional, centered, and easy to read. First, open your workbook and head to the ribbon at the top of Excel. Look for the Page Layout tab. This is where all the print-related layout tools live. If you don't see the full ribbon, expand it so you can access all the buttons. Once you're on Page Layout, you'll notice the Page Setup group, which includes options that affect how your sheet will look when it's printed. Next, click the Margins button in that Page Setup group. A small menu will appear with preset choices like Normal, Wide, and Narrow. These are quick options, but they don't always match your exact needs, especially if you're printing to a specific template, fitting more columns on a page, or complying with a printer's minimum margin requirements. From that menu, choose Custom Margins. This opens the Page Setup window on the Margins tab, where you can dial in precise values. This view is consistent across most versions of Excel, and it's the place to go when you want control over every edge of the page. Now set your margins. You'll see boxes for top, bottom, left, and right. Type the exact measurements you want. Excel uses your system's units, usually inches or centimeters, so enter values that fit your paper size and printer. If you're printing a wide table, consider slightly larger left and right margins for clarity. You can also adjust header and footer margins separately, which control how close header or footer text gets to the edge. If you want your content to feel balanced, the Center on Page options, horizontally and vertically, can help position your table without changing the actual margins. Keep in mind that many printers require a minimum margin, often around 1/4 inch. If you enter less than that, Excel may adjust it to the nearest supported value. When your numbers look good, select OK to apply your custom margins to the active sheet. That's it. You opened Page Layout, selected Margins, chose Custom Margins, and set the exact values you need. With these settings in place, your worksheet will print cleanly and consistently, exactly the way you intended.